Everyone says that read NCERT, solve previous year questions, solve sample papers. But if that was enough, everyone would have scored 98 plus in physics, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you all the hidden strategies and tips most students ignore, but toppers secretly do. And if you apply this, physics will become your easiest subject. So hello everyone, Anshika this side, and today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can score 98 plus in your physics board exams class 12th. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, let's talk about the resources, the unique resources that we need for physics. Number one thing that I would suggest you is that watching lectures, because what I personally feel is that जब आप चीजों को देखते हो एनिमेशन टाइप में या किसी को खुद को पढ़ाते हुए, तो वो आपको ज्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म तक रिटेन रहता है rather than just reading books again and again. Okay, I feel that is what I personally feel, that it makes me remember things for longer if I study from someone else, if I watch animations, right, rather than just reading those black and white books. Okay, so that is important. For that, what you can do is that there's a teacher called Abhishek Sahu. You can watch his videos if you like it. So what you can do is you can go for some animation channels that provide physics concepts in very clarity in easy language. And other teacher that I would suggest that I got to know at the very end was Abhishek Sahu sir. So you can definitely watch his lectures. I think they are the best and you can definitely prepare from there. Okay. Second and the most important thing that nobody tells you is the mistake and the error book. Whenever you try to solve a derivation or a numerical, you need to have a error book or a mistake notebook for yourself where you will be writing all the mistakes that you are doing, right? So that you can read that book at the very end during the exams and you will get to know about these are the particular mistakes that I did throughout the year and I'll not do them in the exact board exams. So before exams, revise only your mistakes and nothing else. Then the second thing is the best book or the question bank or standard books or any other reference book that is very good and I would suggest you. That is this book by Abhishek Sahu sir only. You must have seen this teacher on YouTube, right? And he teaches very well. Like I'm very fond of this teacher. That is CBSE Excellence 95 plus Physics Class 12th Abhishek Sahu sir. Okay. So this is the book. I think it has all the competency based questions, MCQs, case studies, and every freaking question that is needed in your physics class 12th board exams. Because you know, right now, nowadays, physics exam is getting tough day by day. So this is the go-to book for you. This is the book by Oswal, Excellence 95 plus by Abhishek Sahu sir. He's a great teacher on YouTube. You can search and you might know him as well. Okay. Now the syllabus is given in very detail because you know nowadays the paper is getting tough, so you need to get the syllabus. What exactly do we need to do? And for that purpose, trend analysis is the most important thing because we know that. CBSE is asking competency based questions as well, so trend analysis is the most important thing you can do right now. Now we are given with the 2025 paper as well. All the sets are also given, like there are 3 to 4 sets of CBSE main board exams, so all the sets are given here with the explanation as well because explanation it's very important and it is in simple language, so you will be able to understand it without any teacher's help or something else like that. Okay, all the questions are given in very simple format and you will get to know about it. There are also a lot of previous year questions. Now you can see the notes. The notes are in very simple language and are given in very clarity. Right? They're very clear and amazing looking. Now we have the mnemonics. The best part of this book is that we are given with mnemonics, the tricks to learn certain formulas, certain things. Then we have the short answer type questions. Short answer type questions second, MCQs, ample amount of assertion reason type questions. Right? So a lot of questions are given here. Competency based questions you can see are given here. It's very important for us, right? Now we have the NCERT power up because we know that in physics we usually do not do NCERT, but all the questions are given here, so you can just follow this book. You will not need to go for NCERT book elsewhere. Okay. Then we are given with NCERT example questions as well. NCERT example question tough होते हैं, so usually students नहीं जाते हैं उसके लिए फिजिक्स में, बट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन हियर, तो आप उसको यहीं से कर सकते हैं. आपको सेपरेटली बुक पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना ही उनको परचेज करने की जरूरत है. देन वी आर गिवन विद द माइंड मैप ऑल्सो एंड जेईई नीट क्वेश्चंस आर ऑल्सो गिवन, राइट. जितने भी कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है जेईई नीट के वो सब गिवन है यहाँ पर. द बुक इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन Chemistry and Maths. Chemistry by Bharat Panchal sir. The format is same and it's one of the best book you can ever see. I think you should purchase both the books and you will not need to go for any other reference book or NCRT or Exemplar or any other book. So link is there in the description. You can purchase this book from there. This is one of the best book. If you really like this book, link is there in the description. There in the description, you can go for that book. Link is there in the description. You can check it out, this book, and purchase it from there. Okay. And I know this is going to be very helpful for you. Next thing is active recall. Whenever you study a particular concept, you need to test yourself. आपने एक चैप्टर पढ़ा, अब क्या करो, उस बुक को बंद करो, लिख के देखो, सोच के देखो कि क्या क्या इस पूरे कंसेप्ट में लिखा हुआ था, इस पूरे टॉपिक में, इस पूरे चैप्टर में था. तो दैट इज एक्टिव रिकॉलिंग. दिस विल हेल्प यू retain things for longer. Okay, don't just read derivations or anything else, just try to write it and close your books and then do that. Second is Feynman technique. That is, when you study a particular concept of physics, try to make other person understand that in very simple language, or maybe you can do that with yourself as well. Things that I find very helpful is one pager notes. You must create your one pager notes or mind maps of every chapter of physics. That is going to be very helpful for you. वन पेज नोट्स आपको बनाने हैं, समरी नोट्स बनाने, सो दैट यू कैन रिवाइज देम एट द वेरी एंड. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. डोंट जस्ट सोल्व प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन, एनालाइज देम, एनालाइज द लास्ट 10 years paper and you're good to go. Like most of the questions are going to be somewhat around them only. Highlight the most repeated questions and revise them, do them. You're gonna go. Next thing is writing practice for speed, definitely, because you know physics is a kind of paper in which time might be less and you have to write more. You will take your time to analyze the question, then answer it, so that you do not run out of time. So you have to practice answer writing as well for speed and accuracy as well. The next thing is this rule called 90-120 rule that I am very fond of. Then when you're studying for like 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, you must do 1.5 hours, that is 90 minutes revising, reading that particular topic, learning that topic, and 30 minutes for only revising the formulas, numericals, and whatever you have written. You have to revise those things. I think this is going to be very helpful for you. If you really like this video, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with your friends, and I'll meet you next time with a new and a great video. Till then, bye bye.